First, we'll open the glove box. Once the glove box is opened, notice on the right side there is that damper that we need to pull out. All we have to do is just grab the damper and then pull it outwards. Once the damper is pulled out, we'll just push it a little inside. This much is fine. Now notice from the other side there is that bracket that we need to pull out. We'll grab it, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. Just like that, that one is taken out. Similar way on the other side, notice there is one more bracket that also needs to be pulled out. Again, we will grab it, turn it counterclockwise all the way till the very end and then pull it outwards. With both of them taken out, there you would notice the glove box falling apart. Once the glove box is down, behind the glove box, notice there is that final cover that we also need to pull out. On the right side of the cover, there is tabs that we need to push. These are 2 tabs. Press those tabs and then pull the cover outwards. Just like that. Similar tab is on the other side. Again, we press the tab and then pull the cover outwards. Once the cover is out, right there is our cabin air filter. We'll just grab the filter from the corner and then pull it outwards. There you would notice the filter is taken apart. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that arrow sign is at the front and it's also pointing towards downwards. There is also that part number right there, which I will mention in the description as well. Now we will go ahead and install this filter back. I always make sure to punch in the left portion first. Once the left portion is in, then we punch in the right side and then slide the filter all the way down. Just like that, the filter is completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in this cover. We make sure to punch in both the tabs in their appropriate place from both sides, and once both sides are sitting in properly, only then we will give it a push from both sides until we hear a clicking sound. Right side is in. And the left side is also in. Once the cover is installed, now we will punch in both of these brackets that we took out earlier. Here I'm going to do it with one arm because I'm holding the camera on the other. We'll punch in the bracket first, just like that. Once it's punched in, we will lift up the glove box along with that bracket. Here I'm zooming in to show you guys. Just make sure the glove box is all the way up. Then we will go ahead and slide the bracket completely in. Once the bracket is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, we got the left side bracket completely installed. The same way we will do the other side as well. Again, we will punch in the bracket first. Make sure the glove box is completely in while holding the bracket like that. Only then we punch in the bracket completely in, then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that. And this way you would notice the glove box is sitting in properly. The final part would be just to install the damper, which is right there. We will pull out the damper first and then we'll make sure it is sitting in properly in that spot right there. Once the damper is in place, then give it a final push to install it firm and strong. With that damper in place, now we are good to close the glove box. And this wraps up the replacement process for this cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.